it's Regina here, and I am on my sixth day of the 90-day Real Challenge. I am an online digital business owner, and today I want to share with you this. What are the common misconceptions about starting an online digital business? A lot of us think that you need to be tech savvy in order to start the business, but not really, guys. The truth is, a lot of us or every online business owners were not born with tech skills. It is the truth that you need to learn how to use new technology, new new tools, and but you don't have to become you don't have to starting an online business that you already need to be a tech savvy. The process of becoming tech savvy only happens as you slowly get into it and slowly you train yourself and educate and invest in yourself in these tools and technology. So the answer is the common myth is no, you don't need to start tech already tech guru or tech savvy, but eventually as you partner with us in our online global partnership, slowly we will mentor you, we will provide you of the technology and app that you need to run in your online business at no cost to you, all included in our one-time package, including the website, the email campaign, marketing strategies, ongoing training, and 24-hour live support. We're going to provide you with tools, system, partnership, and guidelines, and one-to-one mentoring and coaching. So, guys, the truth is, you don't need to be tech savvy in order to start this online business because that is where we come in the picture. That is where we can help you and train you to become tech savvy so that you can run a business efficiently, professionally, and at the best success stage that you can do in running your business. So come in and join with us, even if you are not tech savvy, even if you are not even fluent in English like me, even if you are not very good on going live stream just like me. Eventually, as we go along, as we do that in repetitive manner, we will be there. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So you don't have to be tech savvy in starting an online business. So sign in our website.